Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si Padre tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa full performance ni Bea Milan. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood yung kanyang performance sa Miss Universe Philippines 2027. And yeah, congratulations kay Bea. Kasi guys, sobrang deserving talaga ni Bea na manalo as Miss Universe Philippines. Kasi kitang-kita talaga guys, no, from the start of the competition hanggang dito sa finals night, 'di ba? Sobrang kitang-kita yung winning glow sa kanya. Talagang siya yung tinadhana na maging Miss Universe Philippines 2026. And yeah, i-play natin to guys. Itong kanyang full performance. So here we go.
Moving forward, and the competition is Miss La
La
Union.
Union. Grabe yung crowd, no? Siya yung pinakamaraming supporters. Si La Union, si Taguig, di
La
ba?
Union, Bea Milian
Cebu
Windorsfield.
Province, Cebu City. Grabe naman. Wow! Grabe yung pasarela niya, no? Stand out. Uy, may pa slow-mo. Paliyad. Gagamitin niya kaya yung liad signature niya.
You're a step closer to the crown, Miss La Union.
Ang ganda niya, no? Face card.
La Union, Bea Milian Windorsfield.
Ang ganda ng kanya dito. Evening gown. Stunning. Bagay sa kanya yung long hair, no? Tapos straight ni straight. Lakas. Ayun. Paliyad signature niya yun. Liyad signature niya.
Your journey continues, Miss
La Union.
La Union.
Ganda.
All right, up next, Miss La Union, coming over. Wow, lots of supporters here at the MOA Arena. Miss La Union, are you ready for your final question?
I'm more than ready and daghang salamat po to everyone who supported me through this journey.
All right, Miss La Union, here is your question. Many Filipinos are getting frustrated with the country. For you, why is it still worth it to represent the Philippines on the global stage?
The Philippines is something and a place that I've been in love with my whole life. Growing up in a predominantly non-diverse part of the United States, I was identified as Filipina first and foremost. I often had to point where the Philippines was on a map to my peers, and I always felt a sense of belonging and home. I chose to pack my life into balikbayan boxes and suitcases because I believe in the limitless potential of the Filipino people and the fact that we need to create local opportunities here so that people don't have to go abroad and be separated from their families in order to survive and thrive.
Very authentic yung sagot
If
niya.
I were given the title of Miss Universe Philippines, I promise to be a public servant for all.
Galing.
Thank you so much, Miss La Union. You can now breathe. And now, Mall of Asia Arena. Pilipinas, it's time to crown our new queen. Ariela, will you help me announce the winner? I can't do this alone. All right, here we go. Miss Universe Philippines 2026 is
La Union.
Miss La Union!
Nagulat pa siya dyan, yung reaction niya. Hindi niya alam na siya pala yung nanalo.
congratulations to our new Miss Universe Philippines 2026, Miss La Union. You now carry the pride of the Filipina on the global stage. This has been your host,
Diba?
Marina Summers.
Sobrang
Celebrating
deserve.
the strength, beauty, and power of every Filipina. Good night at mabuhay ang Filipina! Miss La Union, please take your first walk as Miss Universe Philippines 2026!
Gandang-ganda talaga ako kay Bea. Sobrang kanya. Sobrang telegenic na si screen, di ba? Sobrang charming. Tapos ang lakas niya. Ang lakas ng dating. Anyway, sobrang excited ako sa upcoming competition niya sa international stage. And ngayon pa lang guys, yung nag-uusapan na siya ng mga Latin pages. So, yeah. Di ba? Nakaka-excite. Sana makuha natin yung pang 5 na corona ng Miss Universe para sa Pilipinas. Di ba? Alright, kung nagkasaya nyo ito guys, binigyan ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po.